Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve an equation 2 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 8 power x where x belongs to set of real numbers. Let we move towards the solution, that is we can write it 2 power x plus 4 can be written as 2 power 2 whole power x is equal to 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power x, or we can write it as 2 power x plus 2 power x square and 2 power x cube. As we know that we have used the property of real numbers, 2 power a whole power b, this can be written as 2 power b whole power a. These are same when a b belongs to set of real number. So now let we substitute, let 2 power x is equal to a. Then we get a plus a square is equal to a cube. Taking all to the one side, we will get a cube minus a square minus a is equal to 0. Taking a common from this one, we will get a square minus a minus 1, this is equal to 0. So from here either a is equal to 0 or a square minus a minus 1 is equal to 0. So using quadratic formula on this equation, we will get the values of a is equal to minus b is equal to minus 1 plus minus b square, b is minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1 square root divided by 2 times a is 1. So from here we can get a is equal to minus plus 1 plus minus 1 square is plus 1 minus plus 4. This will be 4 into 1 4 divided by 2, or it will be 1 plus minus 5 under root divided by 2. So there are three values which we have got for a, and we know that a is equal to, we can write these two values separately, 5 over 2 and 1 minus square root of 5 by 2. So now we know that we have substituted that a is equal to 2 power x. So we take first case, when a is equal to 0, it means 2x is equal to 0. For any value of x, either it is positive or negative or 0, we can check that 2x is greater than 0 for any real number x. So when our solution is 2 power x is equal to 0, it means it is not a valid solution. It's not a valid solution. So 2 power x is equal to 0 is not possible. Now we move towards the other value when a is equal to 1 minus 5 over 2. So a is equal to 2 power x, which is equal to 1 minus 5 over 2. If you solve the numerator, we can see that square root of 5 is more than 2. So the numerator will be negative. Negative divided by a positive value give answer a negative value. So 2 power x is giving negative value in this case. Negative value in this case. So if we substitute 2 power x for any value of x, 2 power x gives always positive value. So again, this is not a valid solution. This is not a valid solution. Now the third is when a is equal to 1 plus 5 over 2. So a is equal to 2 power x, that is equal to 1 square root of 5 by 2. So 2 power x is always positive for any value of x taken from real numbers, and this is also positive. So it means this is a valid solution. You can write it here up to here, or you can further solve it for taking log 2 power x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, and here log 2. You can take it as a natural log, not an ordinary log. You can take it as natural log. So x natural log of 2 will be equal to natural log of 1 plus 5 square root over 2, and then x will be equal to natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 divided by natural log of 2, and that is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.